I think you clicked on this video because you want the best robot vacuum and mop combo, right? Well, you're in luck. We've scoured the market and selected the top 5 models just for you. For more detailed information on each product, be sure to check out the links in the description below. So, let's start. The first on our list is the Narwhal Freo X Ultra. The Narwhal Freo X Ultra offers an exceptional cleaning experience, ideally suited for families with pets or children who are looking for hassle-free upkeep of their floors. This robot vacuum and mop combo stands out for its powerful 8,200 Pascal suction capability, which ensures that even deep carpets and hard floors are free of chips, fur, cereal, and other debris. What sets this model apart is its innovative design features aimed at minimizing maintenance. The zero tangling brush, for example, cleverly bypasses the usual headache of hair entanglement. It's designed to pass hair and fur directly into the dust bag, verified by SGS and TUV, to have a 0% tangle rate. Additionally, the patented rouleau mop heads offer meticulous cleaning by pressing down and spinning at high speeds to tackle stubborn stains, supported by AI dirt sense technology to ensure thorough cleanliness. The maintenance-free docking station is another notable feature, providing automatic washing, drying, and refilling of the mop, and even cleaning itself. This feature simplifies the management of the vacuum and mop functions, making the Freo X Ultra a genuine time saver in home cleaning. Lastly, its tri-laser obstacle avoidance system employs precise lasers and side sensors for meticulous edge cleaning, avoiding small and low-lying objects with ease. This technology ensures that no corner is left untouched. Overall, the Narwhal Freo X Ultra is an excellent choice for those who value thorough cleaning without the hassle. Its combination of powerful cleaning technology and low-maintenance features make it a recommendable option for any busy household. The second on our list is the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus. The Combo J5 Plus marries the robust vacuum technology of its predecessor, the Roomba J7 Plus, with a convenient mopping feature, transforming it into a dual-action cleaner that promises to handle both carpets and hard floors with equal proficiency. This device is a game-changer for those who value time and efficiency, offering the same deep clean now with less effort involved. This robot vacuum stands out with its powerful 4-stage cleaning system, which excels at removing dirt, debris, and pet hair from every nook and cranny. Its proprietary Dirt Detect technology ensures that areas needing extra attention are thoroughly cleaned, enhancing its effectiveness. One of the standout features is its self-emptying capability, where it can autonomously dispose of collected dirt into an enclosed bag that holds up to 60 days' worth of debris, significantly reducing the manual effort required in vacuum maintenance. For households with pets, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus includes a safeguard promise known as the Pet Owner Official Promise, which guarantees that the device will avoid pet waste during its cleaning cycle. If it fails to do so, the company offers a replacement, adding an extra layer of security for pet owners. Furthermore, the flexibility to switch between vacuuming and mopping with the addition of the Roomba Combo bin allows users to tailor the cleaning process to their specific needs. Advanced navigation ensures it cleans in neat, efficient rows, covering your entire home without missing a spot and avoiding areas like carpets when in mopping mode, thanks to customizable no-mop zones in the iRobot Home app. In conclusion, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is an excellent choice for those looking for a comprehensive, worry-free cleaning solution. The third on our list is the Roborock S7 Max Ultra. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra, a renewed product, offers an excellent balance of advanced technology and eco-friendly choices by being professionally refurbished to ensure it operates and looks like new without any visible imperfections. This model is particularly appealing to those looking to combine high performance with environmental consciousness. With a whopping 5,500 Pascal hyperforce suction and an upgraded floating rubber brush, the S7 Max Ultra makes short work of dirt and dust on both floors and carpets. Its Carpet Boost feature enhances its capability to pull deeper grime from carpets, ensuring a thorough cleaning. The RockDock Ultra Station encapsulates convenience by handling all charging and cleaning maintenance automatically, meaning the vacuum is always ready to go. One of the standout features of this model is the Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance System, which intelligently detects and maneuvers around obstacles, reducing the need for pre-cleaning preparations. Additionally, its Vibra-Rise mopping system outshines traditional mops by using sonic scrubbing to tackle dried stains more effectively, making it 30% more efficient than its peers. Moreover, the Auto Mop lifting technology seamlessly integrates vacuuming carpets and mopping hard floors in one go. It automatically adjusts the mop when transitioning between surfaces, ensuring that carpets stay dry and hard floors are meticulously cleaned. In conclusion, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra is ideal for anyone seeking a high-tech, environmentally conscious cleaning solution. Its combination of powerful suction, intelligent design, and dual cleaning functions make it a compelling choice for maintaining pristine floors in your home. The fourth on our list is the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. The J7 Plus revolutionizes household cleaning by seamlessly integrating both vacuuming and mopping capabilities into one sophisticated device. This model excels on various surfaces, transitioning effortlessly from carpet to hard floors, ensuring that carpets remain dry thanks to its innovative dry rug intelligence technology, which lifts the mop pad away when on the carpet. One of the most convenient features of the Roomba Combo J7 Plus is its ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously on hard floors while avoiding wet carpet messes. Its auto-retract mopping system guarantees that the mop is only engaged when appropriate, maintaining optimal cleaning efficiency without manual intervention. For tougher stains, the Smart Scrub feature activates, employing a back-and-forth mopping motion with consistent pressure to tackle messes more effectively, ideal for dealing with paw prints or accidental spills. Additionally, the Roomba J7 Plus boasts an advanced 4-stage cleaning system that combines dual multi-surface rubber brushes and powerful suction for a thorough clean. Its intelligent navigation system, powered by iRobot OS, recognizes and avoids common household obstacles like clothes and shoes, and uniquely, even pet waste. Supported by the Pet Owner Official Promise Guarantee, which pledges a replacement if the device fails to avoid pet accidents. Moreover, the automatic dirt disposal system allows the vacuum to empty itself for up to 60 days, minimizing your involvement and keeping your home impeccably clean without constant attention. In conclusion, the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus is a perfect choice for those seeking a high-tech, all-in-one cleaning solution that promises ease, efficiency, and adaptability in maintaining a spotless home environment. The last on our list is the Roborock Qevo. The Roborock Qevo introduces a new era of home cleaning efficiency with its multifunctional dock, providing a hands-free solution to routine maintenance challenges. This model is distinguished by its ability to self-clean, dry, and refill, enhancing convenience and ensuring a fresh start with every cleaning session. The dock features a 5-liter water tank and supports up to 4,305 square feet of mopping, coupled with a self-emptying function that lasts up to 7 weeks, truly minimizing the manual effort required. At the heart of the Roborock Qevo's performance are its dual spinning mops, which operate at 200 revolutions per minute with consistent pressure to tackle everything from soda stains to dried-on spills, ensuring your floors remain impeccably clean. The flexibility of 30 different water flow settings allows users to customize the cleaning intensity based on the floor type, enhancing the adaptability of this device. Another standout feature is the auto mop lifting capability, which intelligently adjusts by lifting the mops to 7 millimeters when transitioning from hard floors to carpets. This ensures that carpets are not dampened during the cleaning process, while still effectively vacuuming and mopping in one seamless operation. Furthermore, the Qevo is equipped with 5,500 Pascal of extreme suction power, making it a formidable tool against dirt and debris on any surface, from hardwood floors to carpets. Its all-rubber brush, designed to float and adapt to different surfaces, excels in pet hair removal with fewer tangles. In conclusion, the Roborock Qevo is an excellent high-tech cleaning solution that simplifies household chores with its powerful, precise, and convenient features, suited for modern living. And that ends our list of the best robot vacuum and mop combos. We hope this guide helps you find the right one for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.